You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this planet and how to not, confuse it with a phrase that can be a bit embarrassing. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English and save yourself some embarrassment, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So, the planet is usually pronounced as Uranus. Uranus, although you can, and it is an alternative but correct pronunciation to say it as Uranus as well. Now, if you say Uranus, well, it sounds quite a lot like your anus, which is, some people might laugh at this. So, more commonly say Uranus, and you're safe. Uranus as the planet, but Uranus is also a correct pronunciation. At least now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.